Hello mates, I've received this box from PowerMining and I guess you are very excited to see what's inside. Bear with me while I do this one-handed because this is my first time doing an unboxing video. A NerdQAxe box, or is it NerdQAxe? How do you pronounce it? I feel like Christmas time all over again. Oh look, sticker goodies. I already know where to put them. The user manual. Come on, CMAN, you can do it, you can do it. This tiny Bitcoin ASIC miner somehow looks both adorable and financially irresponsible at the same time. My left hand is too lefty, too clumsy. The power mining team sent me this unit for free to review it. Huge thanks to them for making this video possible. But as always, I'll give my honest opinion on it and test it properly, of course. The standoff looks pretty sturdy. If you're new to this kind of hardware, this is not meant to compete with giant industrial Bitcoin farms. This is more of a hub-based ASIC miner, a small low power unit made for people who want to learn about mining, want to support the Bitcoin network, want a fun desk miner, or just enjoy tinkering with hardware. And also, who knows, maybe we hit that block, you know. I mean, look at my little seagirl here. Look how fun she finds the miner to be. If this doesn't make you wanna buy a miner, I don't know what else. But I'm not endorsing anyone to buy anything. You should understand that you might never recover your investment into these small miners. If you like to do it for fun, if you like gadgets, if you like low noise solo miners, and the hope, the speculative hope of winning maybe a block, which 99.99999% you won't, then this is for you. And if you want to buy a NerdQAxe or any other miner from PowerMining, I have a discount for you, 10%. Just use the code CMAN and it will be delivered to you in 1 week on the European grounds. I don't know about the rest of the world. This is how fast I got my own. Reviewing the miner a bit, at stock overclocks, the power consumption is 71-ish watts in the software, but at the wall there is always a little bit more. So it's 78, 79 watts real power consumption. About the temperatures, if I can focalize this, 46 degrees Celsius in an 18 to 20 degrees environment. Those are the temperatures for the ASIC chips that the fan blows on them directly. And if I can focalize this, I can take more measurements on the board. So it runs around 28, 30, 38, okay. So where is nearby the ESP board is hotter, but nothing out of the usual. And about the noise, I let you hear it. It's very silent. So you can run this on your own desk, maybe where you work. I have it in my mining shed. Now, regarding power mining, from what they told me, their main goal is basically making crypto mining more approachable for regular people, meaning simpler setups, easier onboarding, real hardware, less confusion, and more transparency around what people are actually buying. And I think that matters because mining can still feel super intimidating for beginners, especially once people start hearing terms like ASIC firmware, Stratum servers, pool configuration, voltage tuning, overclocking, on your own node, and so on. At that point, most people already opened YouTube looking for help, right? Which is probably how some of you ended up here. So I can understand the appeal of companies trying to simplify the experience a bit, and also it benefits them to sell their own products. So what do you believe about these tiny miners? Leave some comments below and I promise I'll answer each and one of them. This is just the first video. In the next one I'll show how to connect this thing properly, how to mine to your own node, how the interface works and some other interesting stuff. And later on I want to show a different way to flash the ESP32 controller without powering the whole miner itself, right? So if you're into Bitcoin, self-hosting, hobby mining, or tiny devices doing financially questionable things 24/7, you might want to subscribe. Now let's get this little guy hashing, and thank you for watching.
On your mind, run it how you want. Node in your room, no middleman front. Hash rate small, but the vision is big. We don't chase luck, we just live like this. On your mind.